Ladies and gentlemen, you are probably curious, why do most traders fail? Well, it's not because of the market, but it's because they actually don't have any type of system at all. Emotional entries and impulsive decisions, they actually lead to inconsistent results. So today in this video, I'm actually going to show you how to use what is known as the signaler, how to activate the free trial through the bot, and how to actually use it with TradingView. Let's get started. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. We have what is known as the signaler, and I'm going to tell you guys right here, right now, that this is top of the line. You are not going to need any other tool besides this. All right, so you guys will see right here, we got trade with ease. If you click right here for features, you guys are going to see exactly what they have to offer. AI-powered trading signals. Their flagship technology combines multiple features to deliver precise, timely signals that give you the edge in any market condition. You guys, this is so accurate. We're talking about 90% accuracy in trend predictions. All right, so it works across crypto. We got stocks and forex. Not only that, you guys, but we're talking about some real alerts with no delays whatsoever. All right, you get real-time signals, and we got smart alerts. All right, scrolling down, you'll see right here some important stuff. We got a win rate, we got automate your analysis, we got AI-powered signals. Right, so a lot of important stuff. Scrolling down, you guys will see right here, a lot of people have absolutely killed it, especially being part of the VIP, right, which is good. Scrolling down further, you'll see right here, plans for every style of trading. So listen, you guys, you have 7 days, all right? So you can try this out for 7 days for free. We're talking about a free trial, all right? So we have right here, real-time signals, premium Telegram channels, super funded EA, we got daily setups and ideas, we have live support, and we have never miss an opportunity, right? So here's everything that you're going to get, especially with a 7-day free trial, right? As stated, you can sign up right now. I'm going to show you how easy and simple this is. We got AI clustering, infinity dashboard, accurate signals, we got real-time signal alerts, we got backtest access, free future updates, all time frames, all pairs supported, and instant access. And over here, you even have the lifetime, which is $99, you guys. Super easy and simple, right? That's crazy. That's actually pretty cheap, all right? So how do you get yourself started? That is a great question, all right? So for the signaler, you're going to go right here. We have email address. We got TradingView username. So technically, you do need to have a TradingView account, all right? And that's it. Now, if you have a coupon, apply that. So right here, we have the 7-day free trial. We even have lifetime access. So click right here for try now. What's going to happen is it is going to send you an email. So you guys can see right here, it's only valid for about 7 days, and that's it. So as mentioned, 7-day free trial. So here's the instructions. To get started, you want to open up TradingView. You want to go to the invite-only scripts under indicators, and you got select the signaler and add it to your chart. All right. So use on the 15-minute time frame during the NY session for Bitcoin, ETH, right, and so on. Right. So follow the smart buy, sell signals. Right. That's all you have to do. All right. Pretty easy and simple. So if you actually go to TradingView, you guys will see it for the signaler. Just want to show you how this works really quick. But you guys will see it for the signaler. All you have to do is go to this profile, and you guys will see all the important details that they provide you. You can actually use this on the chart, right? So for example, like strong entry, I'm going to show you guys a different chart in just a moment. But you guys will even see over here, they even have their own profile, which is actually pretty cool, okay? So pretty easy and simple, you guys, all right? So basically, you're going to be able to pick out a chart. If you're struggling to grow your social media, then here is one of the top of the line platforms out there that I am currently using. And I know that literally pretty much everyone else has used them as well, especially YouTubers. So the sponsor today is SMM Go. If you go to smmgo.io, you're going to see whatever type of social media business that you have turn into a massive behemoth. You get real services with real speed and automated, transparent customer service. So listen, if you are looking to boost your social media presence, but let's say you don't have the time, or let's say you just don't know how to do it, then go ahead and check out the link down below in the description and check out what is known as smmgo.io. Let's go ahead and get right back to the video. Alrighty, so pretty easy and simple to get started, guys. All you have to do is literally just take a look at, let's say, any type of chart, right? This is what I'm putting here, GMX tether, just an example. Go to indicators, and you guys will see right here, invite only, right? So technically, you're going to be able to go there, and that is exactly where it's going to show up, all right? So for example, you got to make sure that you sign in, right? And you guys can see that, okay? So let's go ahead and sign in, right? We're just going to use this email so you guys can see exactly how this works. And once again, you guys are going to see right there, okay? Go to indicators, invite only, and there it is, the signaler. Alrighty, so to go ahead and show you guys kind of more in depth exactly how this works, you guys will see that we have gold spot against the US dollar, right? And you guys can clearly see this, right? So we have strong entries, and it's providing both. So what do I mean by both? Well, longs, which is right here, and then we even have shorts, which is right here, right? And they are even nice enough, I believe, on some of these to actually provide like stop losses as well, which is actually pretty cool, all right? So imagine if you entered way down here when it recommended it and it freaking pumped up all the way up here, which did exceptionally well. You guys can clearly see that, right? Stop loss and all that stuff, all right? So we even have target price right there, right? So they did pretty good on this one, right? So overall, you guys could see exactly where gold is sitting at, right? So let's actually take a look. Let's go to the 4 hours, see if we can see anything else here. Just kind of curious if it's going to show anything. So yeah, you guys can clearly see that, right? So look at this. Look at all the different features here. You guys can see they have multiple combined into one, which is actually pretty cool. But they can actually show you the overall range, right? The overall trend here, right? As stated, great prediction for 90%, right? So clearly the overall trend here is up at this moment, right? Which is actually pretty cool. So once again, obviously different time frames, they provide different price targets, right? So target price, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, be sure to check this out. I mean, it tells you exactly when you should buy, when you should technically, you know, sell, whatever the case may be. You can clearly see that, right? Which is actually really awesome, all right? So let me know exactly what you guys think. You guys can clearly see up here, we have the signaler, all right? So check it out. Let me know exactly what you guys think. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, you have a 7-day free trial. You're stop trading without a system. All right, trade with confirmation, not speculation. You can start your 7-day free trial today. You can experience structured trading. Not only that, but you can actually trade smart and stay disciplined. Be sure to check out the link down below in the description. Smash that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and be sure to leave a comment.